having this sort of platform to exhibit our pieces, it's creating a sense of awareness as Nigerians, as Africans, to celebrate our designs, to celebrate our heritage. Because there's really nothing as authentic, as creative as wearing something that is proudly African, from Africa, celebrating our culture and heritage. So this platform presents an opportunity for awareness, to enlighten people to wear our pieces regularly and as often as possible. I'm looking forward to a time where we can proudly wear our brands to anywhere. I mean, even in our workspaces, where we don't have to wear the white collar shirts or skirts, but where we can wear African suits, if we call it that way, or dresses, having some infusion of African motifs or representation in them, where we can wear this to any function at all. And I think that time is coming, because we're getting to realize that we ourselves are the brand, we are our heritage, and we have to push our culture out there.
So far we are here, we must promote China-Nigeria culture, and the Chinese community, they here. So this Nigeria also like our own second home. We must more support Nigeria-China culture and also education. Even with every year we support so many Chinese Nigeria students, even Nigeria low-income family. So we must do it.
At the moment, we're trying to encourage people to cook in clay pots such as these. Why would we like to cook in clay pots? We also like to cook in clay pots because, it helps to just ensure that whatever you're cooking, you'll be doing something called slow cooking. What does that mean? It means that the heat and moisture, when you're cooking, the heat and moisture will be flowing through. So instead of the nutrients burning off, as that's what you will have in a metal pot, instead of the nutrients burning off, it will help to preserve the nutrients that are inside your food, because your food is getting the right kind of oxidation, right? So it basically helps to create foods that are healthier, preserving the nutrients inside your food, but also basically turning your food into an alkaline food. Our influence has gone past over about 3,000 people. We teach pottery in schools. We teach pottery for people in their homes, in their offices, in their schools, churches. There are so many potter and clay stories in the Bible, and there's so much significance to what we're doing. What we're trying to do, we're trying to preserve the culture and the tradition of pottery.
For us, we are looking at putting happiness literally in everybody's hands through a mobile app. So we notice that a lot of people work stressful routines. We don't consciously plan leisure and fun into our lives at this part of the world. So what we've done successfully is we've created a virtual assistant for each person that would adapt to their personal preference and their personal budget, and use it to curate experiences that are smart, adapting to their lifestyle, create smart experiences that can help them balance their work life routines.